Press any button to continue.
Met je flikker erop.
Ja.
What the fuck?
Ja man, daar gaan we. Start game. Bakkenbaard en een dikke neus.
What's your plan after this?
I don't know. Haven't really thought about it.
You haven't thought about it? That must be a first for you, Mr. Overthinker.
There's a difference between overthinking things and being smart, Leo.
Are you implying that I'm not smart?
Yes.
Your words, not mine.
Hey, I might not be smart in your book, but I do get shit done.
Ik ook op de wc.
Can't argue with that.
Niet de laatste keer.
True. Can't argue with that. Oké, wie wil je zijn? Ik lijk wel wat op links. Jij lijkt wel wat op rechts, denk ik.
Ik lijk helemaal niet op rechts, maar ik lijk ook helemaal niet op links. Ik ga gewoon voor rechts. Wacht. Oh, we kunnen kijken. Leo Caruso ben ik dan. 36. Armed robbery assault grand theft. Served 6 months out of 8 years.
Confident, short temper, joker.
Ja, dat klinkt al als me.
Fraud, embezzlement and murder. About to serve 14 years. Rational, disciplined, reserved. Klinkt niet als mij. Maar zijn leeftijd komt wel in de buurt.
Damn. Even kijken, hè. Leo was brought up in an orphanage and turned to crime early in his life when stealing a famous diamond everything. A famous diamond, oké. Ik dacht er nu iets achter kwam.
Nee, everything went horribly wrong.
Klinkt ook wel als mij.
He must get out of prison and set things right for his son, his wife and for himself.
Nah. I got a kid? Nah, man.
After earning a college degree in financing and marrying his high school sweetheart, Vincent settled on a job in banking. Promises of easy money ended up shattering his whole life when he got drawn into the world of organized crime.
Oh, you're so cute.
Ja, ik weet het niet. Ben ik dat? Weet je, confident, dat short temper, dat past bij jou.
Jij is dan ook weer al net iets meer disciplined en rational.
Maar ik ben wel de joker. Dad jokes.
Ja, dat is
We gaan voor deze setup.
Ja, fuck it.
Ready.
Ready.
3, 2,
I am Leo.
1. Vincent. Vincent Moretti. Prison. Hitchhiking.
Je rijdt in het midden van de weg, idioot.
Ja, ik wou net zeggen, echt aan de regels houdt hij zich niet.
Shit. Ik wil zeggen, het is een mooie omgeving voor een gevangenis staat.
Ja, rustgevend.
Ja.
Beetje het Bob Ross gevoel. I'm gonna paint a tree with a nice blue sky. Just a little bit of ochre over here. Zit je, dat zit ik dan met mijn bloemetje shirt.
Nice shirt, bro.
Okay, en een leather jacket.
Dat past echt wel.
Ik denk dat ik het geluid nog ietsje zachter zet.
Ja, ik ga je daarin volgen. Ik zie even naar iets toe. Oh, look at me.
Get off the bus.
Oké, moment. Ik ga even op escape duwen nu. Options, audio. Ik zet hem op 55.
Ja.
Come on, get moving. Go, go, go.
Dat is al wat beter. Oh, ik moet gaan lopen.
Shit. Damn, mijn neus, man.
That's a big ass nose, dude.
Keep it up, boys. We don't have all day.
Oh ja, ik ga nu de trap op. Je ziet mij nou aankomen, denk
Move
ik.
your asses
Look at
inside.
that, boys. New meat.
Move it, maggots. Get inside.
Yeah, you better go inside.
Staat hij nou? Only the Lord can set you free. Stand in line for processing. Alright.
Kan ik vechten? Nee. Ja, die zijn zo wel aan het vechten.
Volgens mij kan ik gewoon doorlopen. Ik kan ook met mensen praten, maar...
Get in there.
Ik ben binnen, ik moet me melden.
Here you go. Sign this.
Maar eens lezen wat je moet tekenen, vriend.
Nee, ik sign je gewoon, ik geloof het wel.
Shit, dude. That fight out there, it was brutal. I could hear bones crack.
Prison life, man.
I guess you're right, but
Prison
people
life,
fight in
man.
here every damn day. It's way too crazy in this joint.
Oh, shit.
Shit, dude. That fight out there, it was brutal. I could hear bones crack.
Prison life, man.
I guess you're right, but people fight in here every damn day. It's way too crazy in this joint.
Zo is de bitch van de gevangenis. Maar de gevangenis is geen vakantie. Ik bedoel, get used to it, boy.
You're not on a vacation. This is a fucking prison.
Look, dude, I don't want any trouble. Just leave me alone.
Relax. I'm just trying to toughen you up.
Oh, man. I'm not the
Jesus.
tough type.
No shit.
Oh, gaan zijn vinger in uw gat steken?
Ja, achter het schermpje waarschijnlijk.
Ja. Oh. You're getting harassed, boy. Check deze snordel. Oh, nudity.
Oh. Butt cheeks.
Hey, what's up with you?
Having the best day of my life, man. I'm telling you. Best
Clenching them
day
butt cheeks.
ever.
Why's that?
Well, I got beat up, all my shit got stolen, and my parole got denied.
Sucks to be you. Makes my day look great.
Man, thanks for your support, asshole.
Anytime.
Wat verwacht je van mij met losjes bakkenbaarden die door kom opzij? Schouderklopje. Hé, hey, meneer de agent.
Stand still.
Are you done yet?
You're clear.
Dank je.
Deze zei, wat zijn ze aan het doen? Met die kaartje om de zak te spuiten.
Even lekker chillen.
Oh. I saw some more nudity.
Is dit waar het spel over gaat? Manly nudity?
Geen idee.
Hey, guard.
Doe eens wat kleren. Oh! Ik zag een piemel!
Yep, die had ik ook al gezien net.
Hey, doe open, man.
Daar was de piemelinspector.
Make a
My
polite
name is
request to
Williams, and this is my prison. Any questions?
Will you touch my
Yeah.
pee-pee?
When are we allowed visitors in here?
He's getting smacked. See?
Any other questions? Good. Welcome to your new home. We're done here.
You two, break it up. Move out. Now. We don't have all day. Go, 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 go.
Fuck you and him.
Wat heb ik nou weer gedaan?
Geen idee. Waarom loop ik hier nog steeds in mijn blote leuris?
Het is even tijd voor het vlees te inspecteren. Hè. Dat de andere hier niet ergens voorbij lopen, ja toch? Zeg het
Come
wel.
on, get up the stairs.
Ah, ik zie je lopen met je bloedvlekker.
Zie je hem ook serpentine.
Ja. Oh boy.
Not your floor.
Look at
Keep
them
going,
butt
butt
cheeks
cheeks.
go on the stairs, boy. Hey, pretty boy. You man.
Let's go. Get in your cell. Get dressed.
What's up with you?
Meditation, man.
What the hell is that?
It'll set you free.
Close up 49.
The only thing that will set me free is walking out the front door.
Took you long enough.
It'll free your mind.
You better stop taking those drugs.
Ja, wat jij me vertellen, vriend.
So,
Looks like you got yourself a new
Ah, mijn toilet is kapot.
Hoe is het?
who is it?
I don't know, man. Some white guy.
Thanks for the update.
Yeah, no problem.
Ja, dank je, daar weet ik echt fucking veel mee. It's a white guy.
Inside.
Hey, relax.
I said do it. Go.
Hey, take it easy, man. What's wrong with you?
Close up cell 48.
Nee, we zijn buren.
Dit weer. Daar heb ik nooit verlost van, ja.
Stel je niet aan, neus.
What?
Someone wants to talk to you.
Yeah? Who?
I don't know, man. He's over there. That's all I know.
Bullshit, dat is alles wat jij weet. Right mouse button. Oh. Als je met mij wilt praten, kunnen je gewoon zeggen, we zijn buren. Oh, wacht, ik kan praten met deze kant.
You okay?
No, not okay. I'm so depressed. I can't sleep.
Hoe gaat dat helpen? Try and get into solitary. Check die motherfucker er rondlopen. Dat is niet wat ik wou doen, kom op.
You okay?
No, not okay. I'm so depressed. I can't sleep.
You should do something that'll get you in solitary.
Really? And why the hell would I do that?
It's nice and quiet there. If you can't sleep there, you can't sleep anywhere.
What are you, nuts? I'll lose my mind in solitary.
No pain, no gain, man.
Ik ben echt de dude van de one-liners, hè. No pain, no gain, man.
What the hell are these guys up to? 5. Hey! Let me go!
There you are. It's time to play.
The fuck
I'ma
do you want?
beat your ass.
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh? Fact is, he pays me really good to kill you. And I don't really like you. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yeah.
Met zo'n neus. Oeh.
Ja, dat is snel gebroken, denk ik.
Get in there, new fish.
Hey, what the hell? What are you doing?
Go, Dragon Man, kill him.
Get shit, boy.
Take him down.
You idiot. Come on, motherfucker.
Oh. Voor een monkey kun je nog goed slagen, vriend.
Je van een Italiaan ben je maar een slappeling.
Ja, fuck off, zie hoe goed die gast is. Ze zou elkaar nu slagen. The fuck? Look at the size of this motherfucker.
Yep.
Check die dude op achtergrond, gewoon chillen.
Order! Break it up before I put you all in solitary. Go on!
You better watch your back.
You! Keep moving.
Yeah.
Stay the hell away from me, okay?
Ik heb dat 7 jaar geleden maar in het echt gezegd.
Nu een gelukkig leventje. Geen grijze haren, geen stress. Een dochter die wel naar me luistert.
Come on, I don't got
Niks
all day.
mee te maken.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Next.
Look at me, nose as straight as ever.
Ik vind wel dat ik een mooi strak baardje heb.
Ja, toch wel hè?
Ja.
Wat gaan jullie twee doen? Rot op.
How about you two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking? No? I don't hear anyone. Me neither.
Beat some ass again. Help them. Ooh, help them here. Show force. Help them here.
You hearing me now?
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Don't fuck with me when I'm hungry.
Sure. Damn, man, go ahead. Shit.
Yeah, boy. Little bitches. Dacht ik wel.
Echt hap, plok.
How do you know
Hop.
it's crap? We haven't even tasted it.
Plok.
Is that it?
Yeah. What do you think this is? A goddamn restaurant?
Whatever, man.
Hey, you, here I come.
Niet weer.
Lay down, it's time to die.
Ik heb het echt gehad met deze fuckers. Fuck?
Ik zijn kop op de bakplaat.
Oh.
En het ligt er allemaal vrij.
Take this.
Ja, wel. Waar zijn de fucking cipiers?
I'll kill you!
Come closer. Let me carve you up.
Come on, scumbag!
Come on. Where you going? Huh? Now I got you cornered.
Fuck you, man! I'm gonna cut you! Come on!
Come closer. Let me carve you up.
That won't stop me.
Come on.
You wish you'd never been born!
Where you going?
Come on! Fuck you, man!
Dat helemaal niks.
Corner. Die!
Hey! Grab him! Come here, asshole!
Yeah, come on. Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on. Die! Huh? Come on, first! Come on!
Ooh.
Take this!
Ooh.
Like this!
Oeh.
Damn, boy.
Dat was brutal, man.
Echt wel.
So, I'll shank you up, boy. Hello, nurse.
Baby.
Shit.
Ja, kijk, eindelijk het vaccin.
I hate those things.
Don't you have worse things to worry about in here?
Just be careful.
Come on, dude. It's maar een fucking speur.
You'll be alright. Just lay down and rest for a while.
Yeah. Thanks.
Die neus is echt overdreven, gast.
Als hij de bocht omkomt, zie je eerst een half uur van tevoren de neus en dan pas aan.
Hey. I'm Leo.
Vincent,
Listen.
Vincent.
don't mention it.
I mean it, man.
What's your beef with that guy anyway?
Let's just say it's a long story. But don't worry about him. He's out of the picture now. Could you do me a favor?
Like what?
There's something I need.
What's that exactly?
Nothing, man. It's simple. I just need you to watch my back while I get it, that's all.
Sorry, not interested.
You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it myself.
Wait.
What?
You can't just walk out of here.
Of course I can.
We're gonna both end up in the hole.
Well, I don't have a choice.
All right. I'll help you.
That was
Just
easy.
don't get caught.
Okay. Keep your eyes sharp.
Yeah, you can be convincing. Leo.
Geef toe, het is een bakkenbaarden.
Het is de neus.
Okay, I'll distract the nurse. Just watch out for her.
Misschien nog vrij lastig worden, denk ik.
Ik laat hem een scheet.
What can I do for you?
I got a sore throat. Can I have some water, please?
Sure.
I need to wait
Thanks.
for that guard to move.
All right, back to work.
Here you go.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Of course not. It's my job.
So, how did you end up working in a prison?
Shit,
I've lived
Vincent
nearby
needs
my
to do
whole life,
something
so
about that
it just
guard.
kind of made sense.
You look a bit pale. Is something wrong?
No, nothing's wrong. I'm fine.
Gotta help me out, Leo.
It's hot. Look what you made me do. Captain is gonna kill me. Gonna need soap.
Ja,
Better head to the
oppervlakte de hele
bathroom.
tijd.
Moet ook wel.
Anything else?
Yeah, I've got this terrible pain. I need something for it.
What type of pain?
De mensen worden best niet.
I can't really place it. I mean, it feels like it's all over, you know?
Oké, dat loopt niet helemaal netjes in elkaar over. Ik was nog bezig met die zuster, maar...
Zo was ze allemaal niet gezien.
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, buddy.
Is het wel op die fase in de vriendschap?
What you doing?
So, what's your plan?
Excuse me?
I know what you're up to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on now.
Look, I appreciate what you did back there, but you need to back off.
Hey,
What?
I'm sure you have good reasons to bust out of here, but I need to get out of here too.
Yeah? Not my problem.
Just offering my help here.
Hey, you know what? I don't need your help. I can handle myself.
Yeah? Like you did in the infirmary back there?
You trying to be funny?
No, I'm not. Listen, I'm pretty much in on this. Just trying to make you understand that you could really use my help.
Like I said, I can handle myself.
What about Harvey, then?
The fuck do you know about Harvey? Who you been talking to?
The walls are thin in here.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Let's just say that you and me have something in common. We both want him dead.
Okay.
You don't know shit about me, man.
Maybe not. But Harvey killed someone very close to me. With or without you, I'm going after him. But I'm pretty damn sure our chances would be a lot better if we worked together. And you know that.
Staring competition.
And now kiss.
Can I touch your nose?
Je mag hem wel strelen als je wil. Als ik je baardje mag voelen.
Rub-a-dub-dub. En dit is een playthrough, maar we moeten serieus zijn.
Ik vind dat wel vrij serieus zijn gebleven.
Ja man, zelfs in de schaduw is dat ding gigantisch. Buurman, buurman.
Yeah. It's my plan, and I decide what goes down. You got that?
Sure. Whatever you say.
I mean it, man. You fuck this up, I'll kill you myself.
Yeah, I get it. So what's your plan?
You'll know soon enough.
Oh, a way out.
Ik zou echt geen plan vertrouwen dat er van mij komt.
Ik snap niet eens dat ik met jou in zee ga. Ik bedoel, de neus geeft toch al weg dat er niks... Oh.
Hey Leo,
Snel.
you didn't really have an escape plan, did you?
What are you talking about? Of course I did.
You had an idea, I'll give you that.
I got you out, didn't I?
What do you mean you got me out? We got out together.
Yeah, sure. But if it wasn't for me, you'd still be in there.
Don't forget I saved your ass. Twice.
I don't know about that saving my ass part, but I'll give you this. You did help out. A little bit. Vincent, a little bit.
Right.
Nee. Hoeveel geld moet ik u geven voordat jij ook zo'n bakkelbaard laat staan?
Niet? Ik ga dat niet doen. Ik heb een vrouw die dat tegenhoudt.
Fred, got a minute?
I'll be right back, guys. What's up, Leo?
I need to get up on that roof. Can you make it happen?
It's gonna cost you.
You know I'm good for it. Just get me up there.
Hey, Fred.
What's up?
Good. What do you want?
Got a couple of workers here. Need to change the scenery.
Sorry. We're full.
Sure, we could figure something out, right?
Guess we could use a few extra hands around here.
Ah, zo gaat dat.
Leo, hurry up. We don't have all day. And we're waiting right here.
Hey,
is
he up there? Yeah, we need to get up there somehow.
All right.
What is this?
guard. My broom just broke.
Well, don't just stand there. Get a new one.
Alright.
Swap. We hebben met een controle bezig.
Ja. Vond ik voor sneak gedeeltes wel iets gemakkelijker eigenlijk.
Hey, my broom is broken.
Just stay here.
Alright.
Ja.
Oké, wat moet ik dan doen?
Je moet naar mij toe komen. Je had die ding ook moeten breken, denk ik. Die bezem.
Ja, wacht. Ik kan met deze doen.
Come on, Leo. I don't have all day.
Sure. Just give me some time.
Where is that thing anyway?
Over there.
Now, how the hell are you gonna get up there?
Yeah.
I just need to distract that guard. Then we'll be up there in no time.
Yeah? And how you gonna do that? Because I ain't doing it. That's for sure.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. Hey, what do you know about the guards up here?
What do you mean?
You know, when they take breaks and stuff.
They don't really. They're always keeping an eye out up here. Why?
I just don't like guards that much.
Yeah, Holmes.
shit.
I know exactly what you mean.
Exactly what you
Especially that one over there. He looks like a mean motherfucker.
They're all me motherfuckers.
Got that right.
De baas inderdaad niet gezegd heeft dat ik terug moet gaan werken, want ik ben hier maar aan het
Looks
rondtornullen.
like hard work.
Ik sta hier te wachten op jou, hè?
Ja, maar ik denk... Ik wil gerust naar daar komen, hè, maar ik denk ook gewoon dat hij mij gaat tegenhouden, niet? Wat? Oké. Dat was easy.
You, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just, looking around.
I got you a new broom. Come here.
Sure.
Now get back to work.
Yeah.
All right, just need to get back again.
So,
I heard you're the guy who knows how to get things around here.
well, it depends on what you want.
Fuck, the guards looking this
A record player. Can you help with that?
Sorry, man. The only place with a record player is the warden's office.
And how much would that cost?
Money won't help you here. The only way up to the warden's office is to get called up by the man himself. I think you'll find a way to get his attention somehow.
Smack him.
Nee, ik ga hem afsnijden dan.
Hey, can I ask you something?
What's up?
Kan ik
Look.
hier iets komen doen?
Isn't being a prison guard almost like being in prison? I mean, you're in here all the time with us.
Are you being a smartass?
Come on, man. I'm just trying to strike up a conversation here.
And who said I wanted one?
All right, I'll leave you alone.
Find a way back.
You better.
Of course, it's locked. Vincent, let me out. Wait.
I'll break the lock for you.
Just need to give Fred the tool now.
Oké. Well played.
Yes. Binnenkort kunnen we echt uit de gevangenis ontsnappen.
Hey, Leo.
What's up, Fred?
Got something special for you to read. Hope you like it.
Sure I will.
Escape cell, wauw, oké. Cancel.
Cancel.
Excuse me.
What?
Hello.
What are you doing up this late?
Stop busting my balls, man. I'm not doing anything.
Oké.
Ja, doe maar. Dat komt maar aan, hè. Je hebt wel even de tijd nog, maar...
Ja, Peter het zeker wordt onzeker op worden.
You, go to sleep.
Yes, sir. Just gonna take a leak.
Komt die andere ook aan?
Come up, flick it up.
Go to bed, inmate.
Ja.
I'm not tired. Leave me alone.
Cover my ass,
Ga maar,
gewoon in.
ga maar. Tappity tap.
Aan die andere kant.
Incoming.
Oké. Wat een vinger krijg je ervan, man. Hoi. Snor.
You looking at, buddy? I'm taking a
Go to
whiz.
sleep.
Hey.
I'm on my way. Just clearing my head first.
Komt die andere ook
Clearing
weer.
your head.
Oh yeah, that hat.
Go to bed, inmate.
I don't want to sleep. Just leave me alone.
Er is een deurklink.
Oké, go. Hey, die andere kant weer. Stop.
Nee. Ah. Echt fucking cipiers, man. Doen er jobjes van minder goed.
Volgens mij vindt hij jou leuk.
You want some?
You want some of the nose?
Got a package for you right here, boy.
Go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
Wat heeft hij toch tegen u?
Weet ik niet. Die andere komt er nou ook weer aan.
Hoeveel tijd zou ik hebben die anders?
Ja, ga maar. Komt weer.
Oh shit. Cancel. Nee, cipiers. Ik heb hier een vrijstaand bed.
Mooie foto ernaast.
Ja, kijk maar naar de neus. Close-up van de neus.
Go to sleep.
I don't wanna. I'm fine.
Close up.
Ja. I know you want.
Ja, ga maar.
All right, I'm
Still
done.
a whiny.
Hey, get over here and I'll give you a tool.
Wat een samenwerking. Kijk, ik zal even kijken. Eens wachten.
Look at me. Go to sleep. No.
Go to bed, inmate.
Hey, jij hebt de paard. Die ander heeft de snor.
Just leave me be, man.
You guys are looking
Kom jullie maar allebei even kriebelen.
No, all clear now. Dit is voor u voor een lamme vinger te krijgen. Oh, dat is kut. Cipier komt eraan. We stoppen. Wiggle that mustache.
Hey boy. You wanna have a threesome?
What do you want?
I want to
How
ask
much
a question.
What now?
How much do you make an hour as a guard?
More than you make being a prisoner. Now go to bed.
Ik denk dat je nou, hallo. Liever niet. Wat? Wat moet je? You like my goatee? Komt die ander er aan of niet?
Nee, alhoewel. Ik ga het wel even. Achter deze opgestopt. Alhoewel. Stop.
Daar is die weer.
Ik heb geen dingen om te zeggen.
Hey, guard.
What do you want?
My bed's
broken.
What do you
Come
want
and
me
fix
to do
it.
about it?
I want you to fix it.
Not my problem. Go to sleep.
You need a kiss?
I need a good night kiss, boy. Oh my dick.
Kan ik? Ja.
Ophouden.
Cancelen.
Nou, wat anders een job ook nog eens komen doen, hè?
I'm still standing. Yeah.
Die moeten toch ook wel denken van deze twee fuckers zijn toch iets van plan.
Ja, die kunnen niet slapen.
Dag niet fucker mij nu uit.
Hij stak zijn tong uit zo.
Nee, die hoofdbewegingen zo van, hè? Wat is er? Kom dan. Wat is nu weer uw probleem? Kan ik iets anders zeggen?
What? Wat did you say?
Nee, fuck you. Ga iemand anders vervelen, ja. Snorremans.
Val ook niet op dat geluid, hè?
Nee.
Alright.
Hey, Leo. Yeah. I'm done. All right. Let's wait until the lights go out.
Wauw. Hadden die inderdaad niet al uit moeten zijn, ja. Lights out.
Heel goede horrorfilm.
Ready? Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Goed van zeggen. Zou ik al dus niet doorpassen, denk ik.
Ik zou mijn reet er ook niet doorkrijgen. Zou ik het wel niet terug kunnen trekken? Ah, toch.
dat het veel
Damn,
uitmaakt.
this smell, man.
Ja, hallo.
Dat is 2 ratten. Squeak, squeak.
Zit hier nog iets dat we kunnen... Nee. Ah, het is al perfect, jongen, voor in de gevangenis te zitten.
Jij met de lijnen, ik volg jou.
Nee, ga hier door.
Even
denken, wat is dit?
Vincent, come over here and help me.
Oké.
We should be able to stop the fan with this.
Ah.
Deze fan.
Nou, ik weet het, maar... Kijk, dat het niks anders is dan...
Je rent echt zo. Huppel, 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 huppel.
Echt, hè?
Op mijn
Kijk,
scherm
dan
ziet dat echt koddig uit.
Kijk.
Look at
Een
me.
stokje. Haha, je moet stoppen. Put it in!
Hey, I can't hold it forever.
Oh.
Don't let it go.
Can you shut down the fan from where you are?
Come and help me.
Hey man, find a way to stop the fan. I can't get through.
Nee. Maurice? Nee. Maurice? Zo gaat het niet. Jij moet nu iets anders gaan doen zodat deze stopt.
Daar was ik mee bezig.
Nee. Ik doe nu een deur open.
Alright, it's shut down. You can go through now.
Ah, ik moet mijn stok achterlaten.
Kom hier.
Oh.
It's a long way down.
Yeah.
It's a long way to Tipperary.
Down there.
Yeah, we do.